everybody. We are going to Disneyland. I'm going for the first time. I'm so excited. I just arrived at the parking lot. There's a lot of cars. I'm trying to find my way through the parking lot, and then I have to find the main gate. I'm really excited. I'm not a huge Disney person. I've seen a lot of the movies as a kid. I don't remember half of them, but I'm not like a Disney person. Like, you know, some people are like obsessed with Disney. That's not me, but I am still so excited. I'm so ready to be a child today. I kind of want to get the Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse ear band or whatever it's called. I'm just excited to have a great day, and I'm excited to vlog it as well. Comment down below if you've been to Disneyland and what was your favorite ride. I don't know what to expect from the rides. I think it's probably going to be very chill. Like, I don't expect them to be like very, very thrilling or scary. I imagine that it will be more of the experience of like you're part of a movie, and like the designs are going to be really cool. That's what I'm thinking. But anyway, I'm gonna continue looking for a parking spot and continue trying to get in the parking lot to begin with, and then find a parking spot, and then go find the main entrance, and then I'm gonna tune back in. Okay. For the pixie
Okay, go
dust.
and close your eyes and make a bunch of wishes. Boppity.
Yay! I have pixie dust!
prepare to be boarded.
The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
We were captured. Oh no.
Tell us everything you know about the Resistance. Your hat's too big.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands. Tell them it's prisoner transfer. Good. Now get a move on. Let's blow now.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Hi. Hello. Oh my God, guys, it was amazing. Wow, I have no words. I loved all of the rides. Oh. You know what? How about I tune in tomorrow? I'm gonna leave you for today. I think that might be best. Hi, it's a new day. I last left you when I was leaving Disneyland, so let me do a quick Disneyland recap before I go have coffee with a friend who's in town for the weekend. I loved Disneyland. I loved it. I felt like a kid. It was so much fun. I loved the Peter Pan ride. I don't remember all the rides, but I particularly loved the Peter Pan one, the Star Wars one, which apparently cost $1 billion. That one single ride cost $1 billion, and it was epic. I also loved... what are the other ones? I love that the little town or little world one. That was really beautiful. There was one that I got splashed with a lot of water. It was like the Tatiana something. I was on the front end of the canoe and all the water got splashed onto me. If you've never been like me, highly recommend. And if you've been, go again. It's so much fun. I'm going again. Okay, let me do a quick outfit of the day. I'm going to lunch, and this is what I'm wearing. My ballerina flats are the cutest thing ever. They're covered in crystals and they're so sparkly, but I cannot remember the name of the brand, so let me try to read it. Loeffler Randall. They are my perfect summer shoe. This white satin skirt particularly is from Baubles and Lace, but you can find them anywhere, and more points to you if you get it in silk. I'm pretty sure Lily Silk has them. My shirt is Ralph Lauren Sport, and the bag is Furla. I've been wearing a lot of Furla bags recently on the vlogs. Yeah, actually, when I think about it, they are my summer bags. Anyway, let's go. I'm back from my walk. We went to a few stores. We were both looking for wedding guest dresses. I'm looking for a green dress that's appropriate for a wedding. And I'm having a really hard time finding one. I've been scouting the internet. Today we went to Zara and Aritzia because those were the only stores that we passed by that seemed promising, but there was nothing. If anything, in Zara, I felt like it was giving the cheerleader effect where when you walk in and you see everything all at once, it looked really cool. But then once I started looking at each individual piece, I was like, I did try a few pairs of pants and they didn't look great. They were just made for a very tall girl, not for me, and it didn't feel worth it to get them and to have to alter them. If you can give me some recommendations for wedding guest dresses, specifically green ones, forever grateful. Okay, let's unbox the Prequel package. Prequel is one of my favorite skincare brands. It's by Dr. Sam Ellis, who I've been following on YouTube since she started her YouTube journey, really. So I've always been a big fan. I just love watching her content. I think it's so helpful. She's obviously very knowledgeable. She's a dermatologist, and I'm just happy that she has her own brand so I can indulge in her goodies. I got a few things and I got a gift with my order. That's so nice. Okay, I got my Prequel cleanser. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It takes me literally a full year, more than a year probably, to go through this bottle because it's 400 milliliters. It's almost half a liter of goodness. It's very hydrating, very simple cleanser. It's nothing crazy. It doesn't have actives, but it has, well, hello there. Look who came. Come here, come say hi. Now you came, you gotta say hi. Hello. Okay, scram, or stay here. So it has 50% glycerin, inulin, arginine, oat, and aloe. So very hydrating, very gentle on the skin. I love it. It's been the main cleanser I've been using for over a year. Love this stuff. Then I got my favorite vitamin C, the Lucent C. It's a brightening vitamin C serum with 15% L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid. There's also niacinamide and inulin. Yeah, this is really good stuff. I think it's very simple to the, what's it called? The SkinCeuticals. vitamin C, which by the way, I heard that the patent on that one expired, so we should be seeing a lot more vitamin C's on the market that have a very similar formulation to that one. And I think this one is pretty close. The only complaint I would say I have is that the last 2 times I purchased it from Target, not from the official Prequel website, the pump was broken both times, like months apart. So that wasn't great, but now that I got it from the official Prequel website, hopefully it won't be like that. And then let's see. Oh, this is my gift. I'll show you the gift later. I also got the lip visor sunscreen with SPF 30 PA+++. It is a lipstick, not a lipstick, a lip balm with SPF, and Dr. Sam Ellis said on her channel that it doesn't have the sunscreen taste. Okay, I put too much. Oh, I like this is like silicone, like soft. I really like the applicator, and I can already feel that it's a little minty. Oh yeah, I like it. It smells minty. There is like a slight weird smell. It's probably some of the UV filters. Like weird, but not bad. It's not bad at all. It's just a little bit smells like medicine or something, but it's not bad. I really like how it feels on the lips. It's very glossy. Love it. I will keep using it and I will purchase more. I love it. And final thing I got, this was a gift with purchase. It is the Solar Shade Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 46 PA++++. Let's open it together. Okay, it's not tinted. Ooh, it feels so nice. It feels so light. Eek, I'm so excited to use it. It feels so light. And it's blending in the skin really well. Ooh, I like it. Look how glowy this looks. It looks very hydrated and glowy. Love it. Okay, I'm really happy. Oh, that was loud. I'm so sorry. I'm really happy with my purchases. I'm going to go refill my bathroom and toss this in my purse, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. We didn't have time to go to the grocery store today and cook, so instead we got Chipotle for dinner. And this is the bowl that I get every single time. I always get a bowl with bright... Hi baby, no, oh my god, Aria spotted the microphone again. Do you want to do some ASMR? Please let me say goodbye to my vlog. I always get the same bowl from Chipotle, and it has white rice, black beans, no meat, corn, sour cream, cheese, guac, and lettuce. It is the best when it's fresh. We're currently watching Arrested Development, like the final season. I'm not loving the final season, I'm gonna be honest, but we're gonna finish it and then move on to something else. So I'm gonna leave you here. Before Aria eats my microphone, I would like to tell you thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great night or an amazing day wherever you are and whenever you're watching. Mwah. Bye.